All right. I'm gonna try and keep as much of it in frame as possible, but yeah, some of it looks like it might be cut out a little bit, but yeah. I was trying to make sure I keep the building part in frame, you know, so that's why some of it might be cut off a little bit. So I did buy another set just recently, and so it's back 4. All right, but it's another seasonal item is why. So yeah, using headpieces for this. Oopsie. Alright, and then one more. And then, alright. Strangely enough, it looks like there's only 2 of these ones. Got it backwards. Alright, whoopsie. I don't know what I'm doing wrong at this one. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, well. Have to make this 6 times, so that'll be fun. This is time consuming. Just, see. 2 and 3. Let me see. Done messed up. Done messed up. It's not like a huge deal, of course, but I'm OCD, so I'm going to make sure I have it as close to the directions as possible. Since looks like the little hand piece is facing, or fork, whatever you want to call it. I think they technically use this part as a fork, but it's facing up versus down. It's like a small difference, but nothing, and it might not be really anything to begin with, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Actually, let me see if it's recording again, just to be safe. Pretty sure it's just in places that don't have like another flower or filling in it, you know, so that's what I'm going to be going off of. Both sides are technically the same, so. remember what it. Well, we'll find out still, but I'm trying to figure out if I messed up or misplaced a piece. So I did these things really quickly just to get this part over with. Well, a couple of them at least. Yeah, they think about it, they're having another CreepCon in September. I think I might do that again this year, or in September, just because I kind of want to get my photo signed and stuff. I think at some point I'll have a video up posted with the photo in it. So every once in a while I go through all my photos and create a video on it. Not like a talking about it, just literally just a video with all my photos in it. Just I try to save storage space by turning it into a video. So, you know, plus it gives my family an option to see it when they want to. But yeah, just a random thought. Da, da, da. So 1, 2, 3, and that one, and then we'll see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that's how it's supposed to look, I guess. It's a little not convoluted, but like a little hard to see from the back angle. Alright. So yeah, after this, I'll be playing Red Dead Redemption. Like I say, I'm gonna try that achievement one more time. If not, it's not the end of the world for me. But if I don't get it, then oh well. At least I tried. Just don't have the greatest of patience sometimes, you know. Oh, this is a frog. It's funny they use the frog formation for flowers and my Legos, so I think that's funny. I have the right amount of this. I'll finish these while I'm here. It's funny they use the fork and the hand pieces for the flower. And the frog. So I also have a what is it? My brain isn't braining right now, but I think it's the Japanese like flower. They have some in Washington D.C. when I was there. I don't know why I can't think of it. I know the name. It's not coming to me at this moment. But they use a bunch of those for the flowers too. The pink ones. Just I think it's funny. If you ever see the sets online, they're there. Yeah, I got the Hedwig set. I think I might have mentioned that, but I got the Hedwig set in the mail yesterday, so at some point I'll get around to that. I don't know how many videos I'll make of it. It'll be one, maybe two, just depending on how complex the set is. But I'll only have to see when I make it. So, you know, I have to start buying Harry Potter too. Or Harry Potter sets. did actually try looking for Star Wars Revenge of the Sith to see if they actually do have it in the 4DX theater. Not sure if they have it, or well, I couldn't find anything about it, so not too sure. If they do, I'll at least attempt to go. Just depends on the work. Like, I'll have to rewatch the other movies since it has been, I don't know how many years since I've watched them. So it'd be nice to get a refresher. But I've seen them enough when I was younger to really know what's going to happen, you know. Just the newer stuff I haven't really been watching. Even though I liked Andor, I never completed it, so I think I watched the first couple episodes. It's been, I don't know, it's just tough to watch now, like without getting like either disappointed or underwhelmed. So, you know, it is what it is, but oh well. And even Daredevil, I want to watch Daredevil, but I already saw some spoilers, and at the same time, I haven't really had much quote-unquote faith in Marvel lately. It's just, oops. Even before then, even before Endgame, they were kind of just to me, you know. I don't know how to explain it, but, you know. With those movies, it's just you're getting the same thing every time, pretty much. Get a Lego frog. Yeah, see the Lego frog elements, and how much the pink frogs used as blossoms and the bonsai. That's it. That bonsai tree. That's the one I was thinking of. Yeah, it's just a little funny trivia. Of course, this tends to be used as a steering wheel on some sets. Last flower, yeah. I think I parked my car on the right side. I hope I did. Should be fine though. I think this is probably better in view like this, but yeah. I had a panic attack there for a second. It's like, wait, no, I need 3, but now it's just 2. Oopsie. Confused, what? it just supposed to be like free roaming or what? Yeah, this doesn't make any sense to me. Like, is it just toss them in at will or what? Just I guess it's supposed to look like it's wood chips or something. That's my best guess. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now until I move it. Alright, so yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. I guess it is just supposed to look like open wood. Or free floating wood, if you will. But yeah, that's it right there. But yeah, I have to get this to my sister now, so she's using it as a decoration. So yeah, I'll probably end up buying it myself, but probably the bonsai tree too, and whatever other flowers they might have. But yeah, otherwise, peace out.